Welcome back. I hope you have been doing well, and I also hope that today's letter will be easy to learn. Have you noticed the romanization of the letter in the title? It is the English letter J. However, the sound of our letter is different. Please listen carefully.
J, J,
The middle of the tongue rises and presses against the middle part of the roof of the mouth.
J, J,
The tongue blocks the air completely, then releases it.
J, J,
Please try it with me and focus on the movement and position of your tongue.
J, J,
Feel the middle of your tongue pressing against the roof of the mouth.
J, J,
Blocking the air completely, then releasing it.
J, J. If you find your tongue prone to pronounce the English J instead,
Focus on keeping the tip of the tongue downward, and the middle rises, blocking the air completely. If your tongue does pronounce the English J, it's because the tip of the tongue rises first to the alveolar ridge behind the upper front teeth. Then the middle rises but doesn't touch the roof, leaving a passage for the air to flow. The Arabic
J,
isn't like this at all. Here, the tongue rises, leaving the tip downward and blocks the air completely.
J, J,
Please repeat after me.
J, J,
Middle up, tip downward.
J, J.
You must have noticed that
J
is a sibling of ha. To avoid mixing them up, remember that the one with the dot in the middle is the one where the middle of the tongue rises. Dot in the middle of tongue rises. Come on, it needs practicing. Focus on the shape. Raise the middle of the tongue, blocking the air, then releasing it.
J, J,